everyone. Today I will have an interview with one of the people from Belgium. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
This is your second time in Vietnam, so do you feel anything different from your first time and your second time?
Yeah, it's hotter.
Not.
Yeah, it's
And
so
what about
hot.
the people?
They're so kind, especially people next to me.
Oh,
I met him today. Do you know him?
No.
No.
Who do you mean? Who do you mean?
Who do I mean? You. I mean
You
you.
mean me?
Yeah.
Oh, that's right. And what about the place? What do you feel different?
I didn't go to the market. This is a kind of market. You are here.
Yeah.
Okay, I didn't do this last time, and we didn't get on the boat. Also, we went to Tam Kok. Tam Kok was. We went to a boat. Tam Kok was nice, and we went to a cave. And this time we didn't do that. Do this. We went to Bai Ding.
But it does just tell me it's bigger than the last time, isn't it?
Yeah, it's so much bigger. We went about I don't know how much time we went, but a long time today, and it was very hot today.
Today is the very hot day.
Yeah, I want to go swimming, but you said I can't swim then in that.
And do you think Ninh Bình is beautiful?
Yeah, nice place. Do you think Ninh Bình is a beautiful place?
Yeah, I think so. Which place do you like most in Vietnam?
So difficult because I went so many places in the mountains. We saw a lot of beautiful views.
Yeah.
When we did Hà Giang Loop, and in Lào Cai was so beautiful also. I don't know. It's I will say a lot of places are beautiful in Vietnam.
And how many places do you travel in Vietnam?
A lot of places. Lào Cai,
Yeah.
Hà Giang, Ba Vi.
Yeah, I know.
What other places?
Thanh Hóa.
Chiang Mai, and like other places.
What about Thanh Hóa? You went in Vietnam?
I never went this place. I think so.
I mean, the one you call is have the resort called Bù Luông.
Po Luong.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You
I
come to
know.
Thanh Hóa.
Yeah. This is the next place we will stay in Po Luong.
You will come to that place later.
Yeah. After Ninh Bình, we stay in Ninh Bình 2 nights, and then we go to Po Luong.
2 nights. You leave on Monday?
Yeah, we leave on Monday.
Will you leave in the morning or in the afternoon?
I think in the morning, just after breakfast, because it's 2 hours or 3 hours driving. Yeah. Okay, so we'll leave just after breakfast, I think so.
Okay, thank you for an interview.
Thank you, Ming. See you next time.
Can I take a photo?
Take another picture?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
So we will finish our interview, and this is his first time in Vietnam too. Thank you for listening. Let's follow my channel to practice English every day. Bye.
Bye.